to my channel. This is Kunjal here. Well, in this pandemic, everyone is stressed and with the mask on, not to get out of their house. We, seek to just, get away through such wanting to get away in such a place where there's no restrictions, where there's no public around, where you can breathe freely. So today here with my family I am to enjoy this monsoon weather. ये बारिश का मौसम enjoy करने के लिए एक ऐसी exotic place पे आई हूँ where which has really inspired me to start blogging. In fact मैं काफ़ी time से सोच रही थी कि I should start my own channel since I am a travel freak person and people keep asking me where do you go. So finally, after such long trips, I have decided to start my own channel. So I'll soon share with you all the details. So मैं आपको अभी I'll show you that place, guys, which is away from that Mumbai chaos. And it's in such a nice isolated place that there isn't anything far. दूर तक अगर आप देखोगे तो there is no other place, no other public around. It's just greenery, nature, and it's us. So come here, I'll give you all more details. This is a small little place, not a big one. A छोटू सी जगह है, but it's quite good. It's like and just you can say, a place where you would just want to find peace. You would want to be in the nature, enjoy the beauty, and it's a small 3 BHK villa which is away from any even traffic nuisance. Even away from the public normal chaos, where you can just be with yourself, you can do whatever you want. Here there is this place, it's in Karjat, Vadavli. It's called as Savant Farmhouse, and here there is a small pool. There is this lawn here, a little small garden which they are still developing, it's not yet developed. And there's a lovely 3 BHK cottage or villa, whatever you call it. There are these 3 bedrooms, 1 small living room, which you can enjoy. So you can easily get away with around, your family, friends of even 20 to 25 members can accommodate. The rooms are quite big. I'll soon even share you the details of the place, how you can book it, how you can get along, coming to this place. डैम की तरफ जा रहे हैं जो ये प्रॉपर्टी के नज़दीक है. अगर आप देखोगे तो दिस इज़ लाइक एक्चुअली एन आइसोलेटेड प्रॉपर्टी. इट्स जस्ट एन अमेजिंग प्लेस टू बी इन. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो दूर दूर तक पूरी ग्रीनरीज. आई मीन you just amongst these mountains where there's nobody else around, and just have a look at the property down there, out there. It's awesome. There are these buffaloes, there are these peacocks. सुबह सुबह उठ के वो मोर की आवाज़ सुनना, oh my, it's a bliss. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं towards the dam. We are moving and then I'll show you the location out from there. So even the trek feeling comes in. My, this place is simply mesmerizing. Just look at the beautiful lake over here, the view. It's just too good. I mean, I am completely refreshed. Basically just we had our lunch here, a living or dining area combination kind of a ballroom kind of thing. They have 3 bedrooms, one is over here, one is over there and one is actually basically outside. So whether you're coming in a group or you're coming individually, all options they have. I'll take you in through the first room. Here this is one of the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are quite spacious, so it's just not the couple or a person, 2 people can accommodate. You can easily accommodate your family. Say if you're coming in a group, you can easily accommodate 3-4 people. They give us extra beddings that they give us over here now. And each room has a beautiful view outside. There's lush green mountains that you view from your window. The rooms are quite neat, clean, decent enough, and yes, they have a neat bathroom as well, because preferably whenever I go out, the first thing that I look in for is neat and clean bathrooms. So the bathrooms are quite clean. All rooms have such big, clean, neat bathrooms. All the rooms are equally spacious and colorful. There is one more room that I'll just quickly take you through. The third room itself is also similar. Even this room is very colorful and spacious. And they have this view, panoramic view, from all the windows, all the rooms. Basically, this whole place is covered around with lush green grasses, mountains and greenery all around. So each and every window gives you that, mesmerizing view. And the whole place is neatly maintained. It's just new, so there are quite a lot of things that they're working with, like having wardrobes and, still working on to certain small furnishing things. We'll soon meet with the person who cooks food over here. There's in-house food, they provide us food. So the owner's wife itself, she's very lovely. Her name is Neelam. She cooks food here. Soon I'll take you and we'll have a meeting with her as well. So as I had told you that we are going to even get you introduced to the caretakers over here. Here she is Neelam ji. Say hi. Hi. Ye Megha ji hai. Tell her hi. They prepare delicious food, whatever you ask for, and you just need to tell them and they'll cook for you. And the yummy food that they had prepared for us. And this whole place gives us the homely feeling where you get your home food, the Maharashtrian delicacies basically, and makes you feel light and relaxed, and the whole ambience is cherished because of such caretakers, which actually give you whatever you ask for. So thank you Neelam ji and Megha ji once again, and thank you so much for all what you have done. Thank you. Hi guys. guys, hope you liked my video, and if you liked it, kindly do not forget to like and share my video, and do subscribe my channel. We'll be back soon with more interesting videos and many more such beautiful things. So see ya soon. I'm going to say bye to this place and hoping to see you all soon again.